Hi everyone, so I'm back with another important lecture. This is your English UGC NET English Literature faculty, Anamta Rizvi from Study IQ. So guys, I have been doing a series of short videos जो कि बहुत important है एग्जाम पॉइंट ऑफ व्यू से. ये आपको किसी यूनिट में नहीं मिलेगा. जैसे मैंने थिएटर्स ऑफ इंग्लैंड के बारे में बात किया. मैंने I'm talking about the actors of restoration period. One thing is important. Also, I have made another video on the authors of fairy tales. Why I am making these videos? They are very short, easy videos. The purpose is कि UGC NET आपका expansive syllabus कहीं से भी पूछ रहे हैं. So they are asking you questions like Twinkle Twinkle Little Star किसने लिखा है? Okay, Baba Black Sheep किसने लिखा है? And these are relevant questions. We cannot deny them. Similarly, ये जो आपको questions हैं जैसे कि theatres of England के कौन सा theatre था, culturally बहुत जरूरी है. Restoration age के actors क्यों important है? Not only that they were actors, they were male and female actors. One reason that they are very important is कि restoration period में ही पहली बार था कि female actors stage पे आए थे. And we all know कि restoration period में theatre as an entertainment form कितना rich हो गया था. People from royal class, from upper class, middle class, lower class, everybody was enjoying entertainment, and for that they wanted real characters to be represented. The first time female characters आए थे stage पे and they were representing the roles. पहले क्या होता था एलिजाबेथन पीरियड में फीमेल एक्टर्स को अलाउ ही नहीं था कि स्टेज पे जाके कोई कैरेक्टर प्ले करें. मेल मेंबर्स यूज्ड टू बी फीमेल कैरेक्टर्स. सो कैन यू इमेजिन मर्चेंट ऑफ वेनिस के में पोर्शिया एक फीमेल कैरेक्टर जो थी वो मेल एक्टर ने उसको पोर्ट्रे किया था. सो बट द नाउ इन द रेस्टोरेशन पीरियड टाइम्स हैव चेंज एंड यस क्वेश्चन ऑन यूजीसी नेट इंग्लिश लिटरेचर हैव बीन आस्क्ड ऑन एक्टर्स कि क्या कौन सा एक्टर फेमस था, इसमें से कौन सा एक्टर रेस्टोरेशन पीरियड को बिलोंग करता है. So coming from that note, let us go ahead and see the actors, female actors and male actors that were important during the restoration period. All right. So going ahead, guys, I am Dr. Anamta Rizvi. I did my PhD from the Department of English, Jamia Millia Islamia, and I qualified my JRF. All the live updates of my classes आपको मिल जाएंगे मेरे टेलीग्राम चैनल पे अनमता रिजवी इंग्लिश लिटरेचर. Follow me for more information on English literature, how to qualify this exam. हम लोग लाए हैं बहुत comprehensive. The Study IQ has got a course that's very detailed, very comprehensive, focusing on from the smallest object, from the smallest element in your course to the largest element. Okay, मेरा तरीका पढ़ाने का बहुत simple है. You can see that कि मैं point form में देती हूँ. I make sure that the important points are mentioned so that they stay in your mind. All right, so you can go ahead and avail this course. This course is around 7,499. You can use my code, that is AR Live, and यहाँ पे आपको पेपर 1 की भी पूरा का पूरा mentoring मिलेगा, पेपर 2 का पूरा mentoring मिलेगा. So you don't need to go anywhere. Affordable prices as compared to the market prices. So go ahead and get this course, and trust me, if you work as hard as I am working for all of you, इस बार JRF कहीं नहीं गया. Okay, so for aiming for that. Now let's come ahead to our PPT for the day, the lesson for the day. Restoration period 1660 to 1700. Yes, was a time of great change in English theatre following the re-establishment of the monarchy under Charles II. Charles II आ गए थे 1660 में, फ्रांस से आए थे, बड़ा ही open-minded, you know, nice culture, very different values he brought in. पहले तो Puritanism था, Puritanism में तो theatres ही बंद हो गए थे. But when the Charles II came, he was like, no, there should be entertainment, there should be music, there should be art, there should be drama, there should be, you know, merriment, and people should perform and watch plays. This era is particularly significant because it marked the first time women were allowed to perform on stage in England, perform as actors on stage in England. Here is a detailed overview of the notable male and female actors who were there and who gained recognition and fame during that period. सबसे पहले आता है female actors में Nell Gwyn. Nell Gwyn, 1650 to 1687. She was one of the most famous actresses of the Restoration period and a favorite of King Charles II. Nell Gwyn. important, and I think in पे question भी आ चुका है, who was the most famous actress, and that was Nell Gwyn. She began as an orange seller at Drury Lane Theatre and soon became known for her wit. She was an orange seller. Beauty and comedic talent, her roles in restoration comedy such as The Maiden Queen, by Dryden मैंने role किया है, The Maiden Queen, were highly popular. Significant, she was one of the first female actor success, and later became the mistress of King Charles II. Nell Gwyn, a very important name in the Restoration period. Next you have is Elizabeth Barry. Elizabeth Barry, 1658 to 1713. She is known for exceptional acting in serious roles, particularly tragedies. Okay, she was extremely a great tragic heroine. Elizabeth Barry was regarded as one of the finest actress of her time. किसमें काम किया इन्होंने? Thomas Otway का The Orphan, a sad story, 1680, and Venice Preserved, और Otway का था 1682 में, made her famous for emotional. She is significant because she is considered one of the best tragic actresses of the Restoration era. पूछेगा tragic actresses Restoration era की कौन थी? And that is Elizabeth Barry. Next you have is Anne Bracegirdle. 1671 to 1748, Anne Bracegirdle was known for her virtuous reputation and excellent performances in both comedies and tragedies. She was pupil of Thomas Betterton. Thomas Betterton बहुत famous male actor थे, very very famous, okay, and became famous for her role in The Way of the World by William Congreve. Very important actor. Why? Because Way of the World is very important by William Congreve. Okay, so remember her name, Anne Bracegirdle. She is often celebrated as the celebrated virgin due to her chaste public image. A very pure image she had, not like Nell Gwyn. Okay, so chaste. Okay, that is Anne Bracegirdle. Next you have is Mary Betterton. Mary Betterton, wife of Thomas Betterton. Thomas Betterton, Mary Betterton, दोनों actors थे. Okay, 1637 to 1712. Thomas Betterton was one of the earliest actresses to perform in the English theatre. She was married to Thomas Betterton, one of the era's leading actors. Inka, I think, beta Richard Betterton was also an actor in the later generation. So Mary played many key roles in plays by Shakespeare and New Restoration dramas. She performed in roles such as Lady Macbeth and Ophelia. Ophelia Hamlet में थी, and Lady Macbeth is in Macbeth. Okay, so Mary Betterton, wife of Richard Betterton, very important. A pioneering actress, one of the first actresses who helped establish women on the English stage. अब उसने Shakespeare के plays किए होंगे तो one of the first ही होगी, right? So next you have is, now we are coming to male actors. Okay, ये हमारे female actors important थे. These are the male actors. Thomas Betterton का नाम सबसे पहले आएगा because he was a very famous actor. इनके बारे में I'm sure there has been a question in UGC net. 1635 to 1710, Betterton was one of the greatest actors and theatre managers of the Restoration period. He was known for his role in both tragedies and comedies, particularly in plays by Shakespeare. Okay, where he was famed for his portrayal of Hamlet. Hamlet Thomas Betterton ने किया, और Mary Betterton ने क्या किया था? Ophelia किया था Hamlet में ही. He managed several major theatres, including the Dorset Garden Theatre. He was a rich man, widely regarded as a leading actor for Restoration stage. He was very, very important in advancing the acting skills of the Restoration period. Charles Hart was another prominent actor during the Restoration, famous for his romantic and heroic roles. He was part of the King's Company, जो कि Shakespeare का company थी, right? And performed in plays by John Dryden such as The Indian Queen. So there is a connection of Charles Hart and Indian Queen. So remember, he performed in Indian Queen. He was known with his partnership with Nell Gwyn. Nell Gwyn, the beautiful, witty actress, very, very famous. उनके साथ Charles Hart का association था. उनके साथ बहुत उन्होंने work किया है. One of the foremost actors of the Restoration, known for his charismatic presence, romantic roles. Okay, so that is Charles Grant. Next you have is Michael Mohan. Michael Mohan was a highly respected actor of the King's Men before the theatres were closed during the Commonwealth period. Restoration के बाद he returned to the stage, becoming famous for his performances in both comedies and in tragedies. He was known for playing the roles by Shakespeare, including Iago in Othello. Okay, a very interesting character, Othello, villainous character jo tha, that is Michael Mohan. He was a veteran actor, a very polished actor, veteran actor from the pre-Commonwealth era who made a successful transition. Restoration period में उसका और भी fame बढ़ गया था. Okay, and that is Michael Mohan. Then there is Jose Haynes. Jose Haynes was an actor and comedian known for his wit, improvisation skills. He often performed in comic roles and famous for his lively, often irreverent stage presence. Okay, so comic roles में famous थे. He was a very popular comedian of that time, and that is Joseph Haynes. Okay. Next you have is William Mountfort. William Mountfort was again an actor and a playwright. He was also a playwright who became known for his performances in comedy roles. He was part of the United Company and known for his portrayal of elegant and refined characters in plays like The Way of the World by William Congreve. There is Way of the World. ये सारे प्लेज इंपॉर्टेंट है रेस्टोरेशन पीरियड के. और अगर किसी अच्छे एक्टर ने इसको परफॉर्म किया है, एक्टर्स नेम आर आल्सो इंपॉर्टेंट. ओके, significance, a talented actor and playwright who excelled in light comedy but was tragically killed in 1692. He was tragically killed, right? So guys, this was the list of female actors and male actors. Not a very long list. नाम आप इजीली याद कर सकते हैं. कौन से प्लेज इंपॉर्टेंट प्लेज परफॉर्म किया है ये याद कर सकते हैं. यूजीसी नेट इज आस्किंग क्वेश्चंस फ्रॉम एनीवेयर. अगर इसमें से एक क्वेश्चन भी आ जाता है, यू कैन नॉट अफोर्ड टू लूज 2 मार्क्स. उन 2 मार्क्स से आप जीआरएफ क्लियर करें. ओके, so all these are very short videos that I'm sharing with all of you, 10-15 minutes, you know, and they're interesting videos. Okay, कि actors कौन थे, fairy tales के authors कौन है, theatres of England कौन है. Watch these videos because ये जो हट के questions होते हैं, very likely that you will encounter them in your exam. Okay, so on that note, please go ahead with this PPT. Study IQ has brought this course, UGC NET English Literature, जहाँ पे मैं बहुत comprehensive, detailed तरीके से आपको पढ़ाऊंगी in a very simple, interesting manner. Okay, so if you are planning to qualify a GRF NET in December, here I am, your educator for UGC NET English Literature Study IQ. Avail this course. You can use my code AR Live, and we are going to nail it together. Thank you, everyone.